Looking for the best non-stick pan on Amazon, we found the top options that make cooking easier, clean up faster, and meals more enjoyable. Whether you're frying eggs, cooking pancakes, or preparing everyday meals, these pans deliver excellent performance and durability. Stick around to see our top picks and discover which one is right for your kitchen. And don't forget to check the product links in the description below for full details, customer reviews, and the latest prices. Let's get started. Product 5 All-Clad HA1 Non-Stick Fry Pan Set 8 in 10 in. A busy kitchen, but dinner still feels wonderfully possible. For home cooks, every meal begins with quiet care. Some nights call for eggs, potatoes, or a perfectly seared fillet. That's when the All-Clad HA1 Fry Pan Set shines. The 8-inch pan handles quick bites with ease. The 10-inch pan gives family dinners more room. Its non-stick surface releases food beautifully, every single time. No sticking, no struggling, just smooth, effortless cooking. Even heating helps every recipe turn out deliciously consistent. Induction-ready construction brings high-heat performance to any stovetop. And when inspiration grows, it goes safely into the oven, up to 500 degrees, for true stovetop-to-oven versatility. After dinner, cleanup feels almost as comforting as the meal. Dishwasher safe, durable, and made for everyday family life. Check the link in the description to explore all features, customer reviews, and the latest pricing. Product 4 Karoti Granite Non-Stick Fry Pan 8-inch Skillet. My skillet betrayed me. Everything stuck, smoked, and burned. Eggs shattered, omelets ripped. My breakfast turned into a disaster. I blamed my cooking, but the pan was the villain. Then I found Karoti's Granite Non-Stick Frying Pan. Its eco-friendly granite surface promised safer, healthier cooking. I doubted it until eggs slid like magic. No sticking, no tearing, no desperate scraping. Even better, I needed barely any oil. Less oil meant less smoke and a cleaner kitchen. Cleanup was shocking. One wipe and it looked new. No soaking, no scrubbing, no wasted water. Then came the real surprise. It worked everywhere. Gas, ceramic, electric, induction, instant heat, perfectly even. For quick eggs, omelets, or small meals, it's unstoppable. Karoti changed my kitchen drama into effortless cooking. Want to learn more? Click the product link in the description for full details and current deals. Product 3 Tramontina Pro 10-inch Non-Stick Frying Pan. Ever burn eggs, then scrape pans for ages afterward? My breakfasts were turning into a sticky, stressful mess. I needed one pan that could actually keep up. Then I stumbled on the Tramontina Professional Fry Pan. Instantly, the red handle and sleek design caught me. But the real hook was the reinforced non-stick coating. Heavy-gauge aluminum promised fast, even heat every single time. So I gave it a shot, hoping for better mornings. Eggs slid out cleanly with zero stubborn residue. Searing, sautéing, scrambling. Everything cooked more evenly and confidently. Cleanup, literally rinse, wipe, and done in minutes. Oven safe and dishwasher safe, it saves serious time. Now it feels like my kitchen's shortcut to pro results. Why keep struggling with cheap pans when this exists? Discover everything this cookware set has to offer. Visit the link in the description now. Product 2 Hex-Clad 6-piece Hybrid Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. Many think any pan can handle daily cooking. In reality, weak coatings create sticking, uneven heating, and frustration. I evaluate cookware for heat control, durability, and convenience. This Tefal 12-inch hard anodized fry pan stands out. Its hard anodized non-stick surface releases food effortlessly. That means less oil, easier flipping, and faster cleanup. The even heat base helps eliminate hot spots while cooking, so eggs, vegetables, and proteins cook more consistently. The included lid adds flexibility for simmering and steaming. Its deep design supports sautéing, frying, and one-pan meals. Need oven finishing? It handles up to 400 degrees. The lid is also safe up to 350 degrees. That makes it ideal for busy families and home cooks. If you want reliable, everyday performance, this pan delivers. Choose Tefal Ultimate for easier cooking, cleaning, and confidence. Check the product link below for complete information and today's price. Product 1 Hex-clad hybrid non-stick fry pan set, 6-piece. Ever feel like one pan just never fits every meal? Breakfast eggs, dinner steaks, and cleanup all feel like a hassle. That's why I switched to Hex-clad's 6-piece hybrid set. You get 8, 10, and 12-inch pans with lids. The hexagonal non-stick surface gives amazing searing and easy release. Stainless steel and Terabond ceramic work together beautifully, so you can fry, saute, and simmer with confidence. The tri-ply construction heats fast and stays evenly hot. It works on every cooktop, including induction. And yes, it's metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and oven safe. The tempered glass lids let you watch everything cook. From quick omelets to juicy chicken, results look restaurant level. Food cooks evenly, slides off easily, and cleanup is simple. For busy families and food lovers, this set just makes sense. Click the product link in the description for full details and current deals. Enjoyed the video? Drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more great finds.